Hello, friends. It's Professor Paws. Today we are waiting at the train station. Why do we look at a clock? Because a clock tells us the time. Time tells us when things happen. Time tells us when it's time to go. Time tells us when it's time to wait. Let's learn how to read the time. This is a clock. A clock has two hands. This is the short hand. The short hand tells the hour. This is the long hand. The long hand tells the minutes. Let's look at the long hand first. When the long hand points to 12, we say, o'clock. Say it with me, o'clock. If the short hand points to 3 and the long hand points to 12, it is 3 o'clock. The train comes at 3 o'clock. Now look again. When the long hand points to 6, we say, half past. Say it with me, half past. Half past means half an hour after. If the short hand is between 3 and 4, and the long hand points to 6, it's 3:30. That is 3:30. Let's try together. Look at the clock. The long hand is on 12. The short hand is on 7. What time is it? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. Now another one. The long hand is on 6. The short hand is between 1 and 2. What time is it? Great job! It's 1:30. You did an amazing job, friends. Now you know how to read the time. Remember, long hand on 12, o'clock. Long hand on 6, 1:30. See you next time. Bye-bye. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.